Greetings everyone and welcome back. This is Marco and today we're taking a look at the Konica Hexanon 50mm 1.7. If you've been around my channel for a while, you'll probably know that I've been building a kit of Konica Hexanon lenses, more by chance than by choice, let's be honest. Yet, I now find myself owning the well-known 40mm 1.8 Pancake, the 135mm 2.5 Big Boy, and the 50mm 1.7, along with two third-party lenses, the Konica 135 and the Sigma 35-70. I bought this lens at the end of last summer from a kind old man, a retired semi-professional photographer, so it was well kept and maintained, clean lenses and no mechanical issues. Let's take a closer look. The body of the lens is made of metal and weighs 210 grams. It is 40mm long when focused to infinity and 47mm when fully extended. The focusing ring is rubberized with a nice grippy texture, and it turns 180 degrees. Minimum focusing distance is average at 55 cm. The Aries has 6 blades. The aperture is clicked and goes from f1.7 to f16. Past that, it goes into auto exposure mode, and you have to press this silver button to get back into manual. Flange distance for Konica Hexanon AR lenses is 40.5mm. Here on my little Konica Hexanon catalog, the 50mm 1.7 is described as a budget-priced standard lens, lightweight and compact, focuses down to 21.7 inches. With a taking angle of 46 degrees, 5 groups and 6 elements construction. Yep, checks out. Since the first time I used this lens, I realized it is very sharp, and it is less prone to blooming when wide open compared to the 40 and the 135. Colors match almost perfectly, with only the 135 being ever so slightly warmer. Bokeh is soft, wide open, with some hard edges, and not too busy or distracting when stopping down. At f1.7, sharpness is very good in the center of the frame, but it does fall off a bit towards the edges. At f4, everything gets stacked sharp all over the frame. Chromatic aberration is very well controlled, and you really have to look for it. Otherwise, you wouldn't notice it. Flaring is very well controlled as well. Well, enough with the specs. Let me show you some samples. going on with this review, I would like to let you know that 96% of the people watching are not subscribed. So if you enjoy the content and would like to support me, consider subscribe, or if you have an euro to spare, to become a member of the channel and help me pay the bills. I also took a few comparison shots between the Konica and the Pentax M 50mm 1.7, two very similar lenses. I would say that they are almost equally sharp, maybe the Konica is a hair sharper. The Pentax has noticeably warmer colors, and it is a bit brighter, enough so that in certain situations I had to compensate with a higher shutter speed to get the exposure as close as possible. Overall, the Konica Hexanon 50mm 1.7 is a great lens in my experience, although some might say it lacks a little bit of character. The metal body makes it feel more rugged and solid than lenses like the Canon FD50, which has a plastic body. All the mechanical parts are smooth and precise, and the glass elements and the coatings are of high quality. And that's all from me. Let me know if you have any experience with this lens, if you like it, if you don't, why, all of that. And as always, if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.